Hey, this is Jake with Avi-on. Today I want to talk to you about installing the low voltage fixture adapter into a fixture. I'm going to go ahead and open this fixture up. This particular fixture is by ESL, and it is a LED retrofit kit. So with this kit, that's a typical LED retrofit kit. But what's unique about this one is that this LED driver actually has a 12-volt auxiliary output to it. So we can power the LVFA off this 12-volt auxiliary output. If you have an LED driver that does not have an 12-volt auxiliary output, you can use the 12-volt power supply that we provide to power the low-voltage fixture adapter. Now, the reason why I chose this fixture is because it did have the low-voltage output to it, the aux output. So I'm just going to show you these wires right here. So we have the standard wires. You've got the purple and gray for dimming. And then this yellow one happens to be the 12-volt positive. So to connect this up, I'm going to go ahead and you can just, if it's a heavy enough gauge, you can just push this wire into this fixture adapter. But with this one here, I need to push it down with my fingernail a little bit just to give it a little bit more leeway on that connector. So I'm hooked up positive. I already hooked up the common or the negative. And now I'm going to hook up the dimming wire. And so this little guy right here is small enough, he can fit, he can fit pretty much in any fixture. You can either mount him with some double sticky tape or use the screw holes to mount him. I'm just going to set him right here for now, but as you can see, it can be put anywhere due to the size of him. I'm going to go ahead and connect the AC power. I've just got a little extension cord going to this guy right here. Plug this in. And then connect the grounds. Obviously, you want to do your electrical work and stay up to code. And I'm going to power this unit up. Now it takes about 5 seconds for the unit to boot up, and then it will show us right here. There we go. And I've already gotten into this and told it to be 25%, but if I want it to go to 100%, push the 100%, 75, 50, 25, and secure this inside the light fixture, and that's it. That's how easy it is to install a low voltage fixture adapter with a LED driver that has a 12-volt auxiliary output.